So, another recipe from the Dirty Lazy Keto Cookbook. Now let me try and find it, or get to it. No, I have it marked, I'm having a little trouble. Okay, there we go. I'm going to be trying Cinnamon Toast Crunch Nuts. This one has quite a few recipes that are supposed to taste like brand name things. So here's what I'll need. 1/4 of a cup of nuts. It calls for pecans, but it says you can use any low carb. So I'm using walnuts because I've got a lot of them. And 1/4 of a cup of no-calorie sweetener, a tablespoon of butter, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and there I'm melting the butter. Just melting. It's supposed to be softened, but I was too lazy to soften it, so just let it go. Let it melt. Let it melt. Boy, this is taking a long time to even sped up. Now I'm just supposed to add everything. So the nuts, the sweetener, vanilla, cinnamon. Come on. And just stir it all together. Just supposed to toast them for about 5 minutes. I'm surprised how much that no-calorie sweetener toasted up. Just let them cook. Let them cook. Move them around. Let them cook. Move them around. Look at that, you can see it sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Move them around some more. Try and break them up. Come on. Break, break, break. Keep a going. Keep going. Yep. Break them up. Trying to get them broken up. Some are big hunks. Who doesn't want a big hunk? Now I've just got this parchment paper over a little cooling rack here. And I'm gonna scoop them out of the pot. I'm trying to get them to separate because it says to separate them. I feel like it'd be easier now. Turns out it's not. And now I'm just getting them out, letting them so they can cool down. Yep. Okay. And now they're cool. Now let's try them. Ugh. Can't taste any of the cinnamon. All I taste is that chemical, awful, no-calorie taste from the sweetener. I was afraid of that because I've made other ones that taste like that. But try these again. Because that sweetener. So I use this. It's a stevia no-calorie sweetener because it has the least amount of carbs a serving. Next, I'm going to try this, made from monk fruit. It actually sounds like sugar, so I'm going to try that. Look here. Look how much more liquidy that is. Now I did double the amount of cinnamon in this. Okay, there it is. I think I may have burnt the monk fruit sweetener. It smells burnt. You can't really tell by looking at this, but it actually did firm up. See that? They look like brittle around it. These are much better. They actually taste like candied walnuts. These are so much better than the first one. So I actually would recommend trying this. Use monk fruit sweetener if you can find it. Thanks for watching.